Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about launch jacking, how you can make money without spending any money. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about launch jacking. If you don't know what this is, it's basically you're getting in front of traffic. There's going to be like a new launch, and you are getting your review video up before the product actually comes out, so that when the product comes out, people will see your video, they'll see your review, they'll see your bonuses, and purchase from you, and that way you can make money. So the best way to do this is to go to a site called Muncheye.com. Right here, this is what it looks like. And then you'll see all the launches that are coming up. There's several that come out every single week. So let's see, today is the 16th, so there's one coming out tomorrow, the 18th, 19th, 21st. You can see there's a lot of different products that are going to be launching in the internet marketing space. So after you go to Muncheye, you're going to go to the JV page and request an affiliate link. So that will go to the one that comes out on my birthday, November 21st, right here. And you can see over here on the right hand side where it says JV page. And that'll tell you all about
Hi, my name is Peter Giordi, and
the product and the price, upsells, and everything. So that's going to help you to do your review. But the thing you want to do is to get your affiliate link before the product actually comes out and before you do your review video, of course. So you can just request that there. It'll take you to JV. Let me see if this was JV Zoo. Yeah, and then you can request your link there. You want to do this with a lot of different products because you're not going to get your link right away, or some of them you may not get at all, but probably most of them you will get an affiliate link. But you want to have a lot of different products that you can review. So that'll be the next thing that you do, is get your affiliate link. And then you're probably wondering, like, how do I make a review on a product that I don't know anything about? Of course, you can look at the JV page there. You can get a lot of good information. But do you want to get a review copy so you can actually show the members area? And so you want to do this after you get your affiliate link approved. You're going to contact the product owner. So if you scroll down on the affiliate page at the bottom, they should have the owner right here and how you get in touch with them. The best way, I think, to get a review copy is if you do a short video, like 30 seconds or less, just telling about yourself, why you want to promote the product, and then send that to the affiliate owner or the product owner requesting a review copy. And that way you can do a review, show the members area. So that, of course, is the next thing you want to do, is actually do a review of the product, include the price, the members area, the pros and the cons. I like to include the pros and the cons, whether I have an affiliate link there or not. And you can also look at other people's videos that do launch jacking. Like, one person that does a lot of launch jacking is Jonah Armstrong. Pretty much every product that comes out, he's got a video on it. But you can see what he does with his review, how he does it, and you can kind of model after his videos because it's really not that difficult to do. And then the fifth thing is you want to include a bonus to increase the conversions. So you can use what's called Commission Gorilla to create a bonus page. It's not difficult to do. And also, in one of the products that I reviewed from Warrior Plus, I know one of the bonuses was that Jonah Armstrong, you could purchase bonuses from him, so you can use all of his bonuses. So that's something that's available. I don't know which product it was that I reviewed, but he does do that for people, so you don't actually have to create your own bonuses because you're trying to figure out what would I include with the bonus. And I don't want you to think that this isn't something that you can do, because you look at all these marketers that are doing this and you might think to yourself, well, I would never be that good. But all these people started at ground zero. They started, just like you. So the more you do, the better you'll get. And just imagine if you did like one review video a day, how much better you would get at it. And you're going to start getting more traffic and more sales. So launch jacking is a great way to make money because, again, anybody who is looking at a product, generally they get an email they're on a marketer's list, they get an email about a product that's just being launched, and they want to go and find out about it before they purchase it. So they go to either Google or they go to YouTube and they search that product name with review, and they find your video and you do a good review, you have good bonuses, and they purchase from you. So that's how you can make money without spending money. So I think launch jacking, I've used it before. It works very, very well. So if you guys have any questions about launch jacking, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Mara signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.